Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda.
And I'm June.
And we're the Disley Sisters Creations. And we're so excited today, aren't we? Because today is the 1st of February and it is the start of the Disley Sisters Spring Shawl Mal. And I'll put the hashtag along here. So when you're sharing your shawls, and they can be knitted or crocheted, use the hashtag. So we have got some rules. We do need to set some rules in place, guys. They're not mega important, but they are, in a way, aren't they?
They're not mega important, but they are.
You know, you need to follow rules, don't you?
Yeah.
So it starts today, which is the 1st of February. Pinch and a punch, first day of the month. I wanted
Pinch
to.
and a punch.
So it starts today the 1st and it goes right the way through. You've got 3 months and it finishes on the 30th of April. And June and I will then announce the winners on the 9th of May, and we'll have 4 winners and we'll tell you all about the prizes at the end. So we've got what, six rules. The first one must, which is the most important one, it must be a new project that you start today or within this 3-month period. You don't have to start it today, but as long as it started within this from the 1st of February to the 30th of April, then you can enter into the make along. You can join anybody else's make along. I do believe Judy and Gina are doing a make along as well. So if you want to include our shawl, the shawl that you're not, it's not personally our shawl,
no.
But if you want to join Gina's and Judy's make along with the shawl that you're making for ours, please feel free, or anybody else's make along that it will fit the requirements. Number 3 is you can knit or crochet it, you know. There's no, because I'm crocheting a shawl.
No.
And June is knitting hers.
Yeah.
Because June, you've never knitted, crocheted a shawl, and you don't feel.
No. I think it'd end up. Instead of it going like that, I think it'd end up going like that. So yeah.
She'd do an asymmetrical one where it
so,
should be a triangle.
Yeah. So I'm not confident enough with me crocheting yet.
So that will change, guys. That will change. So you can choose the pattern of your choice. Whether it be knit or crochet. If you share, just make sure that you use the hashtag. We have a Facebook group, don't we?
Yeah.
The Disley Sisters Creations Facebook group. You can share them in there, your progress. You can share them on Instagram as long as you use the hashtag and we can see them. Because once a week, what I'll do is I'll bring up the hashtag and see them all, and I can make a note of who's entering. From the 20th of April, if you don't have Facebook or Instagram, you can email me, but only from the 20th of April. Email me pictures of what you've done so far. Let us know what yarn you've used, which pattern you've used, and that. And I think that's about it, isn't it? Just, you know, but only from the 20th of April. The last rule, number 6, is the shawl doesn't have to be completed. We've all got lives. We're not saying that we get ours finished.
No.
We're hoping to. But if you don't get it finished, then but please share.
Yeah.
And I think that is so important. If you don't finish it, it doesn't matter. But you can still enter, is what I'm trying to say. So whether it's a knitted or a crocheted, doesn't matter whose pattern you've used. Just make sure that we get a photograph of it, or you share it on Facebook and Instagram. And we will we will, you know,
Quite looking forward to seeing like who enters and
what
not so much who enters, but what patterns.
I know what
people
patterns they use and that. So in the description box below this video, there's a little thing that says more. If you click on that, there's going to be 3 links to Ophelia Talks, Anja, 3 of her shawls, and they are called, what the heck are they called? Have I not put them on? Anyway, there's 3 of them. I know one of them's the Gold Hill, one of them's Snow, and one of them's the asymmetrical, which I think is Isabel. All the links are in the description box below. June and I have done this video today because we're announcing it in the live, and you know the live stream, things happen and we miss things out, so we decided we'd do this video so that you've got all the rules and regulations, plus I'm going to write them all up on my community tab as well.
And also sometimes the live can be a bit crazy, can't it?
Yeah, it can.
Yeah.
It can. We can go off kilter.
Yeah. Somebody will say something and we'll start talking about something totally different.
Yeah. Another thing is our Ursula from OM Granny Square has given a code. That'll be in the description box below. So when the 3 shawls that she's offering is Beautiful Friend, Steve, and Simplicity, which is her new shawl, which is very much aimed at beginners, and she always has tutorial links in her patterns. So when you go to check out, you put the coupon code in and your pattern will be free. So thank you so much to Ursula for doing that.
Yes.
Also thank you to Anja from Ophelia Talks, because she's donated a prize.
Yeah.
So we're moving on to the prizes. So the 3 prizes from us are going to be cake bags, which are being made by our June, which are especially for your cakes, so that you can just put your cake in there, work on your project without having to move it in and out, because we know as we work from the centre, the
Caves in.
collapses. So with you taking it in and out, it's gonna not be good, is it?
And I've worked out that they can fit up to a 1,200 yard cake. So I've made it so there is plenty of room. As you can see in mine, I mean, I've used mine and then decided I didn't like it and thought, when Linda said, should we do it? So I've got plenty of room in there, even when that's a full 1,000 yard, to fit up 1,200 in it.
Yeah. So so I think that is everything. The only thing we need to share with you is what shawls we're doing. So would you like to go first, June?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I've decided to knit mine, and mine's called Whiskey Glass Shawl.
The link to this pattern is in the description box, along with another free pattern. There are 2 free knitted patterns.
This is free.
Links.
This is free on Ravelry, and it's by Janka
Sabichki.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one.
Sabichki.
Yeah, I thought after me just finishing the Stephen West with, yes, I have finished it. I thought I'd go for something, a bit easier. And I'm using, as you all know, I did start to make a cover knee blanket, didn't I?
Yeah.
But decided I didn't like the pattern. So I am using Mixology's Autumn in Norway. And as you can see,
it's browns and blues.
Yeah. And this part, when it was crocheted up, was beautiful. Yeah. So I thought I'd quite like to have this as a shawl. So so that's what I'm using. Yeah. And it's 1,000 yards. Let's see if I can find it.
It's 1,000 meters.
Oh, 1,000 meters. Sorry.
Yeah, and 3 to 4 millimeter needles, and it's a cotton acrylic blend.
Yeah.
So Mixology do have a Facebook group as well.
Yeah, she has some beautiful yarns. But when we went in the Newbury show in Newbury, that like every time I walked past a little stall, that kept shouting me. So Linda went, we're going. I said, okay. I said, can we go back to mixology, please? She said, why? I said, I want something. And I just went straight back and got it.
Yeah. She was lucky it was still there, guys.
I was.
I am going to be doing our Ursula's the Steve shawl, the crochet crescent lace shawl, which is actually one of the patterns that Ursula has given the code for, so you can get this. And I am using Yarn Art Moonlight, Flowers in Moonlight, and mine has got some stellina in, and it's kind of like turquoise going out, or what do you say, that's teal or turquoise?
No, I'd say that was teal.
Teal, so it's teals going out to a dark grey. So that is what I'm going to be using. Yes, there's 1,000 meters, which is 1,094 yards. So easy pull, and I'm using, now Ursula says to use a 3mm hook, and I am a tight crocheter, so I am going to be using a 3.5. I have got a 3mm out, but I think I'm going to use a 3.5 because I am quite a tight crocheter. So, and I want the drape, so I think I will go up a hook size. I might even go up to a 4 actually. And I think that's everything, isn't it? Has we missed anything? No. As always, guys, if you've got any questions that, or you know, that something that we have not covered, then please do email me. The email link is in the description box below. Just click the word more and it'll open it up. There'll be links to 3 tutorials by Anja. There'll be the links to 2 free knitted patterns from Ravelry. There'll be the link and the code for Ursula on Ravelry. Don't forget to use that code. And the gift prizes, I've forgotten to mention the prizes. We are giving 3 winners one of the cake bags made by our June.
Yeah. And
Ophelia Talks has kindly donated a £20 gift voucher. So what we're going to do is, because we've asked you to share on Facebook, on Instagram, and email me, what we're going to, if you've not got Facebook or Instagram, because not everybody has all the social medias, as long as you email me after the 20th of April pictures, if you're not on social media. So we're going to pick a winner from Facebook. We're going to pick who will win a bag.
Yeah.
A winner. We'll pick a winner from Instagram who will win a bag, and then we're going to pick 2 winners from email entries, and one will win a bag, and one will win the £20 gift voucher from Ophelia Talks. So we want to thank Ursula for being so kind and giving a code for our spring shawl make along, and of course to Ophelia especially, because she gave our make along a shout out in our live on Sunday, which was amazing. So thank you so much, Ophelia, and to Ursula.
Thank you, ladies.
Yes, and we hope that you will enjoy this spring make along. 1st of February here in the UK, and the sun is shining. We've got blue skies. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is.
So we are going to enjoy, and we're going to make a start on ours, hopefully, so we've got something to show on the live.
Yep. Yeah, hopefully.
So I need to make sure. I could have sworn I put the names of the shawl of Ophelia Anja's shawls. I do apologise, Anja, but as I say, the links will be in the description box. And Good luck, everybody.
Yes.
And we're so excited because we would like to see what shawls you use.
Yeah.
What
And remember,
patterns.
everybody, the ones that they're like the 3 that Ophelia Talks has offered and Ursula and what we're doing, they're only suggestions.
Yeah.
You might have I think on Linda's Live the other day,
Amanda Panda.
she's got one. So it's entirely up to you. You choose what you want to do. And just thank you, ladies, for offering your patterns to us, and good luck, everyone.
Yeah, I contacted Ophelia, Anja, to ask if I could share the links of 3 of her tutorials. One of them, Gold Hill, I have actually made a couple of years ago. So, and the tutorials are not I think she has a link where you can go read get the pattern. I'm not 100% sure. I think she did, because I remember Gold Hill, I did actually have the pattern. So I know in the tutorials there are links to I think it's either a blog or a Facebook, a website where the pattern, you can obtain the pattern. Once again, take care, everybody. Woo-hoo, we're so excited. Can't wait to start.
I can't wait to see what this one looks like.
Yeah. So bye, everyone.
Bye. Good luck and enjoy.
Yeah.